The future of car technology, as highlighted by developments and discussions up to 2024, is poised for significant advancements across several fronts. Electric vehicles, EVs. The trend towards electrification continues with models like the Cadillac Escalade IQ. AI and connectivity. Cars are becoming more integrated with AI for enhanced user interaction, like the voice command system seen at CES 2024. Autonomous driving. While full autonomy remains a goal, incremental improvements in autonomous features are being introduced. Design and utility. Concepts like Kia's platform beyond vehicles, PBVs, hint at a future where vehicles might transform their functionality on demand. Innovative mobility solutions. The concept of flying cars, or eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, like those from Hyundai's A2. Safety and efficiency. Collaborations like Bosch with Pirelli for intelligent tire technology aim at enhancing safety.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.